Hi everybody, Sharon from Vivid Days. If you've clicked this video, you are interested in becoming a member stroke Patreon of my art channel. For the people that are current members or have heard of my membership that launched a couple of weeks ago, you would have known that there was originally 3 options, but we're going to do Dusty Bin style. It's gone from 3 to 2 to 1. There seemed to have been a demand for the middle area, so I'm going to stick with that, and this is now going to be called Exclusive Access and Perks. I know. A simple but logical title. For people that are an existing members and took that leap of faith, thank you so much. There's going to be a small inconvenience to you, which means you will be refunded for the money that you purchased last month, or the membership that you took out last month. And then if you feel valued and you still want to continue to support me, if you join again, you will find that it's reduced from £5.99 to £4.99. But within that, your content has not been devalued. You are still going to get member shout outs, you're going to get loyalty badges, you're still going to get those exclusive members only videos. There's going to be members only live chats, which means that you as a member are the only one that can interact with me in that conversation. Other people may be able to watch it, but they won't be able to have that same dialogue or ask those questions that you will. And last but not least, there is priority comments. I'll make sure that any of my members' comments are responded to as a priority. And I'm also going to create a platform where we can have group conversations on social media. So I will send you an exclusive link to something like Zoom, and then we can have a conversation as a group. And that's actually really exciting for me, to be able to see you and interact. Obviously, there might be people out there that don't want to go on camera, and that's absolutely fine. But hopefully within that package, there is a lot of perks. You're going to get to see behind the scenes of what I'm working on, my studio, maybe the thoughts I go through. You're going to get to know a little bit more about Sharon, the person and the artist, and hopefully you will see a lot of value in that. But for people that don't want to become a member, that's okay. Please be aware, my channel is not going to change. I'm still going to give the content that you get. You're still going to see lives. You're still going to have that opportunity to interact. And I am truly, truly grateful for the support of anybody that provides a like, a subscribe, or shares my content because they feel that there's value in that. So continue to do that and know that I truly value and support you all. If you don't want to become a member, but you do want to help me with keep putting my content out there is a donation button at the top of my home screen. That may be something that you want to consider. But thank you so much. Sorry that there's been a change in only 2 weeks, but I feel that I've settled on somewhere where I'm really comfortable with, that I can honour, and hopefully there is a value for people out there to want to become that member and take that leap of faith and continue to support me reach my dreams. Anyway, I'll see you shortly. Thank you so much. Bye bye.